Yeah. Diyan na sa taas to ah. Oo. Tanigi to. Yung gancho pre. Hi Lord, thank you Lord. Ayaw tayong pabuhian Lord. Please. Let us have this fish. We've been jigging since 6:30 in the morning and it's around 8. We had double strikes earlier, but it was not hook up. This is the first one. First one. Tuna siguro to pre. Baka yung kulyasan to. Ha?
Isda.
Oo. Tama. Oops. Oops.
Laban yun. Arya.